Hey everybody, Mike Linville here from Black Dog Education, where we teach small business owners how to build, maintain, and market their own fully search engine optimized websites. And I'm glad that you're here because in today's video, we're gonna bust probably like one of the most common myths that are out there now about website development. And that myth is that a website, in order for it to be good, has to be expensive, right? And that's just not the case. You know, back in 2005 or so, let's go back 5-6 years. That was actually kind of true, right? Because, if you wanted a website that did something for your business, I'm not talking about a MySpace page or a Blogger page or something like that. I'm talking about a website that really kind of pushed your business forward by either generating leads, generating sales, or helping you build your brand in a good way. You needed to go to a custom developer, right? Because there weren't tools that had everything that you needed. So you needed to go to somebody that knew HTML and PHP and Perl and MySQL and JavaScript and all of these other different languages. And the fact is when you go to somebody that's specialized like that, that has all those different levels of knowledge and experience, that's just expensive. That's where, we're in that boat, right? It's like, look, it took me a long time to learn all those things. So yeah, that's gonna be a little more expensive. But what has happened lately is, especially in the last couple of years, there are a lot of really good tools out there that are free, that you can take advantage of, that'll do the same thing that we had to do custom 5 years ago, right? So 5 years ago, if you wanted a website, we had to custom build the platform, right? We had to write PHP pages and do all of that other stuff, create the databases on the back end. Today, you can start with a WordPress blog, wordpress.org. It's free. You can download it. You can have it installed in 5 minutes. And then you can go to a company like Woo Themes or Elegant Themes or something like that and pay $70 for a theme. It's not going to be custom to you, but it's going to be clean and it's going to be professional. And that's really what we want, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to be completely custom. Save you $1,000 right there. So, 5 years ago, what would cost $5,000, you can get up and running today for $1,000 using some of these free tools. The bigger issue now, so before the big issue, the big hurdle was cost, right? People couldn't get over the $3,000 to $5,000 entry fee online. That's why a lot of companies didn't have websites. Now what it is it's not necessarily the cost, because at $1,000 or $500 or whatever the cost of entry is, that kind of leveled the playing field. Everybody can kind of get into the game. Now what it really boils down to is it really boils down to strategy, right? Sure, you can have a website, but what you really need to know is what's going to make that website good, what's going to make it rise to the top of the search engines, and more importantly, what's going to make that valuable for your end users, right? Because with 250 million websites out there, I can almost guarantee that no matter what you do, you're probably not the only one in your town that does that, right? You have competition. So what is it that your website is going to say about you, about your business, and about how you solve your customers' problems that's going to make them want to pick up the phone and call you instead of your customer, okay? That's really where it boils down to today. In 2011, 2012, it's all about strategy, okay? So that's it. That's all we have to it. Expensive websites, a thing of the past. You don't actually have to do that. What you really want to do is engage, kind of step in the footsteps of your customers and see how it is that you can serve them the best, okay? So make sure that you tune in next week where we're going to talk about what you need to know. Not what you want to know, what you need to know about Facebook marketing, okay? Until next time, this is Mike Linville from Black Dog Education.
Want to become a full-blown web wizard? Just come on over to the DIYWordPressCreator.com for a free web series on how to build your own good-looking, professional website minus the expensive web guy or gal.